Welcome to our channel. Deleting your Xbox account permanently is a serious decision that requires careful steps through your Microsoft account. Step 1. Understand that deleting your Xbox account means losing all games, saves, achievements, and subscriptions permanently, with no recovery option. Step 2. Cancel any active subscriptions, including Xbox Game Pass, Xbox Live Gold, or EA Play, to avoid future charges after deletion. Step 3. Spend any remaining Microsoft account balance or understand that these funds will be forfeited when the account is deleted. Step 4. Visit account.microsoft.com and sign in with your Xbox account credentials to access your Microsoft account management page. Step 5. Navigate to the privacy section and select Close your account to begin the permanent deletion process. Step 6. Review all the warnings about data loss, including emails, files stored in OneDrive, and all Xbox-related content and purchases. Step 7. Select a reason for closing your account from the drop-down menu and complete any required verification steps to confirm your identity. Step 8. Wait for the 60-day grace period to end, during which you can cancel the deletion if you change your mind before the account is permanently deleted. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.